Let's open our virtual manipulator from your website. Please work on this one. And you can go to the fraction, bars and circles. Okay, let's see how I can do equivalent on this one. So I have one hole. I'll remove this. Okay, this is one hole. I put it here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now in this time let's take one third. Okay, I want the equivalent for this 1/3, so I will take part of 6s. Is 1/6 is okay? No, it need 2 6s. So what did I do? And here I'll put the arrow again. It will need how many pieces of 12? 1, 2. Is this the same size? No, still I need 3, 4, 12. Now, okay, I can say now 1/3 is equals to 2 6s and to 4 12s, right? Look at this fraction carefully. What can you see? How I can get 1, I can make it 2, then the 2 I can make it 4, the 3 I will make it 6, and the 6 I will make it 12. What I'm doing, look carefully, I did something for both of them. Yeah, I multiply it with 2. So is it enough to multiply the numerator? No, I should multiply the denominator with 2. Then move to 2 to 4, I will multiply with 2 again, and my denominator the same. So to get equivalent fraction, I have to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Or if I will look from down to up, okay, what I'm doing from down to up, it was 4 12s equals to 2 6s. What did I do to get this number? This is 2, okay? How I will get the 4 becoming 2? My number get bigger or smaller? Smaller. So I'm multiplying or dividing? Dividing. I will divide on 2. And here I will divide on 2. As you can see, I am multiplying or dividing with the same number. Multiply or divide with the same number. Again, I'll take another example. I can take my whole, or this time we will use the pi. We can move to this one. Okay, I'm using the pi shape. So now I will take the 1/5. Here it is. So this is 2/5. I want to see how much it's equal. What is the size of 2/5? What do you think? What is the size? Look carefully. How many parts of 1/10 I use? 4 parts. Amazing, you see? So we will carry it from here. You see, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I hold it. It's the same. How I get, if I put them over each other, you can see they are the same size. How I get this one, I will use the pen from here to write the equivalent fraction. So here I have 4/10, and I can say it's equals to 2/5. The handwriting is very bad, really. This is 2. Okay, so my number is getting bigger or smaller? Smaller. So what I'm doing, divide on the same number, which is 2. This is 2, please believe me, this is 2. Okay, and here 10, this is 10. What did I do to make it 5? I also divide on 2. So what is the rule? To divide or multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Let's apply this one on our book. You can open page 212, please, and start. Write the fraction that is equivalent to the fraction represented in the model. Let's first find what is the fraction represented in the model. How many they shade? 1, 2. So they shade 2. How many all? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 2 8. What can you write? What can you do to have equivalent? You can divide on a same number. So if I divide it on 2, up and down, I will have 1/4. So my answer is 1/4. Again, let's do another one. Number 3. Start to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is my fraction? 4 6s. Okay. What number you can multiply or divide? I can multiply with 2, both of them, or I can divide. Let's divide to make it smaller, like you are cutting each piece into 2 pieces. So divide on 2, up and down. It's more easier for you to multiply with 2 or to divide on 2 if they are even number. You can see both of them are even number. So I will make it 2 for divide on 2 equals 2. 6 divide on 2 equal 3. So it's 2/3. Can you do number 2 and 4 alone by yourself? Let's move to the next page. 213. Write a fraction that is equivalent to the fraction represented in the model. You can use the fraction strips to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My fraction is 4 6s. So look what I will do. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll say this 4, and I will take a line from here and see what is equivalent to what. It is equivalent to 2/3. So I will say my answer is 2/3. Is this correct? Yes, if you divide up and down onto 2, you can have the same answer. So this is another way to do it. Again, let's do this one. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is my fraction? 2/4, right? 2/4. Now, carefully look at the fraction strips. 2/4. This is 2/4. You see, I put a line here, and it equal to 1/2. How you can get 1/2? You can divide on 2, up and down. Okay? Let's go to the next page. They said, the same page, but next question. Use the fraction strips to find equivalent fraction. Write the missing numerator or denominator. You can do it using this colored one, you see, or you can multiply or divide. If I will do it with multiply or divide, I will look here. 3 becomes 6. My number get bigger, so I will multiply. What number I multiply with to get 6 with? 2. So it will be 2 6s. Let's do it here. 1/3, this is 1/3, and you want to see what the equivalent here. You see this line? Make it go down. It will be what? 2 6s. So my answer is correct. Again, let's do number 9. 2/3. The 3 becoming 6. Your number get bigger or smaller? Bigger, so you multiply it with 2. You should multiply up also with 2. It will be 4 6s. Let's see that. 2/3. This is 2/3. And make a line till down and count them. 1 2 3 4. So I use 4 6s to have the same area. 4 6s. Let's do one with a fourth. Number 12. 2/4 equals something on 2. As you can see, my number gets smaller, so multiply or divide. Divide on 2. If I divide down on 2, I should divide numerator on 2 also. 2 divide on 2 equals to half. Is this correct? 2/4 here. 1 2. So I'm stopping here. Go up, move to up. Okay, and you will get the half. You see it? You will get the half. I'll change the color so you can see it. This one is 2/4 here. It's equal to 1/2.